Hello friends, this is Shrishti and today I have purchased my class 10th new books for my new session. So let's have a glance on what I purchased. Let's get started with our books. So firstly, I got two books of English. First is First Flight and second is Footprints Without Feet. And the stories I read in both the books are very interesting and I like. Then the second book is mathematics, and when I try to solve it, then I notice that the questions in NCERT are very easy, but extra questions are a little bit tough. Then I purchased Hindi books. There are two books, Hindi Sparsh and Hindi Sanchayan. And then comes our science book, and science is the most favorite subject of mine. And this year, I'll try something different with science. I'll make flashcards, I'll make sticky note cards, etc. to make science more easier and more interesting. And then comes with our social science SST. Now in this first book is history and then civics and then comes geography, which is the easiest book in social science according to me, and then come economics. And that's all the book I have got. And let's now have a look on our copies section. Firstly, let me keep the books aside so that I can create a sufficient space for my copies. And here comes the copies. I have many copies as compared to books. So there are two small size notebooks, I think for my IT or computer. Then there are four medium sized registers. I think so they are for my other subjects. And there are two practical notebooks for my biology subject. See, according to me, biology is a subject that is full of diagrams and important questions. And it is way more interesting than we thought because it is related to ourselves and our body. Then comes with large size registers. These are for my other subjects, for example, mathematics, chemistry, physics, and all because they require large copies and our teachers prefer these registers. Now let's keep these notebooks aside and let's show you another things which I purchased. So firstly, I purchased notebooks and books, and to cover them I purchased covers. And I think these covers will be sufficient for all these. Then I purchased name chits of flowers. Actually, the place where I'm currently residing in is full of greeneries and flowers. And those little blossoms of flowers made me feel so much happy, and that's the reason for which I like flowers the most. And then comes spiral notebooks. These notebooks I've specially purchased for notes making, and instead of reading the whole chapter of NCERT, I can mark important points and important topics in them and then read it during the exam time. And now let's have a glimpse on what I purchased in stationeries. Firstly, I purchased a pack of black and blue pens, and these are special panda pens because I like cute stationeries, and of course these Figo pens work smoothly. Then comes with a pouch. I purchased a blue color pouch because blue is my favorite color, and it is filled of designs and patterns which I like the most because I'm an artistic type of person and I like these patterns. This pouch is very space efficient pouch, and I can place as much as pencils, pens as I want. And according to me, this is the best purchase of pouch. I have purchased two pouches, and first is for main purpose for my pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, etc. And second one is for leftover crayons which I will use in my school, and those crayons have lost their cases, so that's why I have purchased a single pouch for them, and this pouch is space efficient. So overall I like both of my pouches and will use both of them. Then I purchased this Flair writing kit so that it can fulfill all my stationery needs which I must have in my pencil case. And this consists of two ball pens, two gel pens, one mechanical pencil and lead, one black marker, highlighter and one eraser. Then the most important part which I cannot miss because I have purchased sticky notes and a pack of highlighters for the purpose of my notes making, because notes are the most important thing which I never forget to make because these help me the most during the exam times. So in highlighters I have purchased flare pastel highlighters, and it was nice when I tried it for the first time, and it worked smoothly, and I would definitely recommend it. And then I purchased geometry box for my geometry purposes, which I will use in my class 10th. It consists of compass, divider, a pair of set squares, D, ruler, and rubber sharpener, and a magnifying glass. And then I purchased mechanical pencils, erasers, sharpeners. All this because I am going to the new class and I want all my stationery stuffs to be new and some decorative type because I like cute stationeries. And then I purchased correction tape, which is mostly used in our school purposes because it is the most efficient way to erase something without spoiling it. And now let me show you my color collection. And firstly, in this I purchased sketch colors, then all pastel colors for my drawing purposes, and for my drawing I also purchased these pencil colors and these groove erasers because they work smoothly and help me while drawing. Then I purchased this combination of eraser and sharpener, and at last I purchased a ruler and a glue. And this stationery haul would be incomplete without keychains. So I purchased two keychains, one is unicorn and second one is smiley. This was all I bought for my class 10th new session stationery. And friends, do tell me in the comments about your stationery purchases and in which class you are going to. And I'll upload some more videos for effective notes taking and effective studying. And for those videos, stay tuned in my channel. So these are the stationeries which I purchased for this session, and do tell me in the comments how much do you like it and what are your plans for the upcoming sessions. Till now, thank you.